TCL was inspired by one of Samsung's most famous TVs to launch its own version. We are talking about the NXTFRAME, which, as its name suggests, draws inspiration from Samsung's The Frame. This is a very artistic TV with an anti-reflective finish and an interchangeable frame, making it look like an artistic painting hanging on your wall. Now the Chinese manufacturer TCL has launched its own version with Google TV and other features that I will introduce to you below. This proposal from TCL also integrates an anti-reflective finish to make the image look matte, which is also very pleasing to the eye. In this case, unlike Samsung's proposal, all the ports and connectors are integrated into the TV and are not placed in a separate box. It has a thickness of 1 inch, so it is also quite thin considering all the technology it integrates. It features a wood-like frame on all sides, and this frame is magnetic, so you can easily detach it to replace it with another one that you like more. The screen is available in sizes from 55 to 85 inches, has 4K resolution, and is compatible with HDR content, Dolby Vision, HLG, and many more formats. It integrates the TCL AIPQ Pro processor through which the image is optimized. It has a 120 Hz refresh rate, although for gaming it can offer you a variable refresh rate of up to 144 Hz. And evidently, through software, it also has access to a library of artworks so you can choose the one you like the most. As I mentioned, it comes with Google TV, so unlike Samsung's TV, for example, we would find Google Cast. This TV has been launched in the USA at a price of $1,499 for the 55-inch edition, although obviously, there are also larger sizes that will be more expensive.